You're watching Camilla Ali TV. Hey guys, welcome back. So we're going to do an update on rice water. I've been supposed to do a video. I'm way past 30 days. But this is some issues with rice water that you may want to know before you start. Now, I'm going to be honest. I was not consistent with the rice water. I was not able to make the rice water the way I needed to make it because it stinks so bad. You can't keep it but for maybe 2 days, and then you have to make new rice water. So that means every 2 days or every other day I would be making new rice water. And my goal was to wear my hair in braids and then just spray my hair every day with the rice water, like spray my scalp with the rice water. But like it literally smells so bad. I don't think anybody is telling you that how bad the smell is. It's really bad. Okay, so I'm deciding like, okay, I gotta make this stuff every day. And I couldn't get it done. So that was one reason why I wasn't consistent with it. So I decided to make rice water again. And I can't deal with the smell. It smells so bad. So I decided not to do it no more. I'm going to try a different approach to grow my hair. Well, one thing I did find out is that if you are using rice water and you have issues with protein, overload, then rice water is not going to be good for you if you're using it frequently. I would suggest not doing it daily, maybe once every wash day. If you wash every 2 weeks or something like that, I wouldn't do it every day because you will have a protein overload because rice has protein in it. So if you didn't know that, now you know. So what I'm going to do instead of the rice water is use a horsetail brew. Okay, horsetail is high in silica, so it's going to help grow your hair. And does a lot of other things for the body as well. So I'm going to be taking it internally and I will be spraying it on my hair. So I will do a 30-day update and I'm going to stay consistent with this one. So I'm going to do a 30-day update on the horsetail and see how long my hair grows. Right now, this is my length in the back, which is not that long. It's about collarbone length in the back. And this is stretched. So I don't really have any goals. I just want my hair to grow and I want it to be strong. So yeah, I'll show you what I do to make my horsetail brew. So I just boiled it and then you just let it sit, okay? So it's really called the steeping process. You let it steep. All the loose herbs will drop to the bottom, or most of them will. And then you can use like a strainer or a paper towel or a cheesecloth or something like that so you don't have any loose herbs. If you get a few, it's not that bad. It'll be okay. But yeah, so this is how I make it, and I'll just let it sit and steep until it cools down, and then I'll transfer it into my bottle and I'll spray my hair with it, and I'll also drink it as a tea. So if you have any questions, I will leave the comments down, some information about horsetail herb in my comment section so you can see all the benefits of the actual herb and what it does for your body in general. It does more than just help your hair grow. It's good for some other things within your body internally. So I will leave that down so you can check it out. And yeah, so that's my method of trying to get my hair to grow. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you like, comment, and share this video. I'll check you guys.